So this is the Epson L3156 Ecotank printer, and we are going to unbox it now. We will see what are the contents inside. By the way, what we purchased is a white colored one. I wanted to have black, but there's no available with this particular model. Oh, one thing that I already know, it has 5 free inks. It comes with 5 free inks, 2 blacks and the yellow base, the magenta base or pink one, and the other one. So yeah, let's start the unboxing now. And so it has a CD. That's a software disk.